Good day to you all, our lovely viewers. I by name am Moses Christiana Omotola. We are here again on our lovely favorite TV, Adun Asa Yoruba. We all appreciate you all for always choosing this as your favorite TV. We say a big thank you to you all. We love you all. We appreciate you all, our followers from Lagos, Ekiti, Ondo, Enugu, everywhere over Nigeria and outside the Nigeria also. China, USA, America, everywhere. We say we love you all and thank you very much for choosing this as your favorite TV. Today we bring you the news of a well-known popular actor known as Babatunde Omidino, aka known as Baba Suwe. We all heard the news about him that he has not been feeling well and now is dead. Is the death of Baba Suwe a confirmation to the proclamation of an herbalist or a natural death? Let's listen to what a man said some months ago.
Baba Suwe will surely die because what he has done to that his wife, Moladun. Yes.
Moladun Kenkelewu, sir.
Kenkelewu is the one who killed Moladun Kenkelewu. They should not pity for her.
For him?
For him.
But Esther Ajayi gave him 10 million last year to go and buy ìtọ́jú tó péye l'America. Does that not work?
Owó náà nǹkan, where is the money?
10 million treatment, sir.
The money will go. He can never get better. He killed Moladun Kenkelewu. I like Moladun Kenkelewu than him. Moladun is a very peaceful somebody. I is born with that job. When he's phoning somebody, we'll be kneeling down as if he's seeing the person. So this man will surely die. The date of he will confess. If you have to confess that is the one who killed Moladun, he will be all right.
Okay, if you come out and confess, gbẹ gbà mí o, èmi ni mo ṣe o, èmi ni mo gbà lẹ́sẹ̀ tó.
Ara àyà straight, èmi ni mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ṣé jẹ́ nìyẹn?
But if they bring him, can they bring him here so that he can help him to get out of it? Because
no. If they bring him, I will go out from my room. I go and sleep. Yes, he's a useless person.
You all heard what the herbalist just said. Is it true that Baba Suwe was involved in the death of his wife or it was framed up by the herbalist? We want you all to comment on this. Let's know your opinion in the comment section. God bless you all. And don't forget to subscribe on our channel, YouTube, Igba Iwase Adun Asa Yoruba TV. We love you all. God bless you as you do so.
Àwọn sunkún àgbo mo sùn mo ní wọn bá ṣẹlòmíì ló kú o máa ṣe yéèyé má dákẹ́ o kí ló padà omi ẹ̀jẹ̀ rírú jàrúrú 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 kí ló padà omi àjà rọ.